I have to say this was very nicely packed. Okay, it's a connector job for sure. You guys can see how crooked this thing is. I can say that most likely I'll be able to just repair this. So in this video, guys, I'll show you the process that I would use for repair or data recovery on a flash drive with a bent connector. So if you have a same case, or if your connector is completely broken off, these are the steps that you should follow. Watch this video, make sure that you're satisfied with what you see. If you're capable of performing the soldering work, you'll see exactly what you need to do in a microscopic view, so that there are not going to be any questions about what else needs to be done. But if you don't have access to these tools, if you're not confident that you can get it done yourself, you can have us do it for you. The process is very simple. In the description of this video, there is a link. You just click on it and it will take you to a page of our website where you fill in your inquiry. Once that inquiry is submitted, you will then receive a PDF file in your email address. That PDF file just needs to be printed up and packed together with the damaged flash drive. Shipping address where the device needs to be sent to will be in the top right corner of that PDF file. So if you guys want us to get this work done for you, just follow these simple steps, and this is a same day turnaround service. This is the connector is now removed, and once the connector is removed, we're just going to place the flash drive underneath the microscope and perform the solder repair. Using a brand new connector, I'll attach all of the wires back to where they're supposed to be, and this unit will work. So sit back, enjoy this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comments below. Hit like and subscribe to this channel if you're interested in data recovery subject. I'll be definitely back with more videos shortly.